Surah, number 73, of Quran Majeed. The Enwrapped.
Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
Ya ayyuhal Muzzammil.
Oh, you wrapped up in your mantle.
Qumil layla illa qalila.
Stand vigil through the night, except for a little of it.
Nisfahu aw inqus minhu qalila.
A half, or reduce a little from that.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا.
Or add to it, and recite the Quran in a measured tone.
إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا.
Indeed soon we shall cast on you a weighty discourse.
إن ناشئة الليل هي أشد وطئا وأقوم قيلا.
Indeed the watch of the night is firmer in tread and more upright in respect to speech.
إن لك في النهار سبحا طويلا.
For indeed, during the day you have drawn out engagements.
واذكر اسم ربك وتبتل إليه تبتيلا.
So celebrate the name of your Lord and dedicate yourself to Him with total dedication.
رب المشرق والمغرب لا إله إلا هو فاتخذه وكيلا.
Lord of the East and the West, there is no God except Him, so take Him for your trustee.
واصبر على ما يقولون واهجرهم هجرا جميلا.
And be patient over what they say, and distance yourself from them in a graceful manner.
وذرني والمكذبين أولي النعمة ومهلهم قليلا.
Leave me to deal with the deniers, the opulent, and give them a little respite.
إن لدينا أنكالا وجحيما.
Indeed with us are heavy fetters and a fierce fire.
وطعاما ذا غصة وعذابا أليما.
And a food that chokes those who eat it, and a painful punishment prepared for.
يوم ترجف الأرض والجبال وكانت الجبال كثيبا مهيلا.
The day when the earth and the mountains will quake, and the mountains will be like dunes of shifting sand.
إنا أرسلنا إليكم رسولا شاهدا عليكم كما أرسلنا إلى فرعون رسولا.
Indeed we have sent to you an apostle, to be a witness to you, just as we sent an apostle to Pharaoh.
فعصى فرعون الرسول فأخذناه أخذا وبيلا.
But Pharaoh disobeyed the apostle, so we seized him with a terrible seizing.
فكيف تتقون إن كفرتم يوما يجعل الولدان شيبا.
So, if you disbelieve, how will you avoid the day, which will make children white-headed?
السماء منفطر به كان وعده مفعولا.
And wherein the sky will be rent apart. His promise is bound to be fulfilled.
إن هذه تذكرة فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه سبيلا.
This is indeed a reminder. So let anyone who wishes take the way toward his Lord.
إن ربك يعلم أنك تقوم أدنى من ثلثي الليل ونصفه وثلثه وطائفة من الذين معك والله يقدر الليل والنهار علم أن لن تحصوه فتاب عليكم فاقرؤوا ما تيسر من القرآن علم أن سيكون منكم مرضى وآخرون يضربون في الأرض يبتغون من فضل الله وآخرون يقاتلون في سبيل الله فاقرؤوا ما تيسر منه وأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة وأقرضوا الله قرضا حسنا وما تقدموا لأنفسكم من خير تجدوه عند الله هو خيرا وأعظم أجرا واستغفروا الله إن الله غفور رحيم.
Indeed your Lord knows that you stand vigil for nearly 2/3 of the night, or, at times, a half or a third of it, along with a group of those who are with you. Allah measures the night and the day. He knows that you cannot calculate it exactly, and so He was lenient toward you. So recite as much of the Quran as is feasible. He knows that some of you will be sick, while others will travel in the land seeking Allah's bounty, and yet others will fight in the way of Allah. So recite as much of it as is feasible, and maintain the prayer and pay the zakat and lend Allah a good loan. Whatever good you send ahead for your souls you will find it with Allah, in a form that is better and greater with respect to reward. And plead to Allah for forgiveness. Indeed Allah is all forgiving, all merciful.